Guys, do you want to know how to uninstall MySQL completely from your system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you complete installation of MySQL. So guys, you have to follow the steps properly. Just uninstalling MySQL from control panel is not sufficient. You have to delete MySQL folder from other places also. So watch my video till end. So guys, first of all, I'm starting control panel, and here in programs I'm just selecting uninstall the program, and here you can see we have the list of different MySQL products. So we will be selecting one by one and we will be uninstalling it. So first of all guys, I'm selecting MySQL workbench, and here I'm clicking on this uninstall button, and then here it's asking me some confirmation. So yes, I want to uninstall. And now guys, process of uninstallation of MySQL workbench has been started, so we will wait. Okay guys, so after uninstalling MySQL workbench, let's uninstall MySQL shell. So again select it and click on this uninstall, give the confirmation. Okay, this is done. Now uninstall MySQL server. So again select it, uninstall, and click on confirmation. So again guys, this is done. Now last part, we have to uninstall MySQL installer. So select it and uninstall. So after uninstalling from control panel guys, your work is not done, because when you install MySQL, its folder is created into different parts of your system. So first of all, we have to delete MySQL folder from program files, and after that we have to go to program data folder, and there we have to delete the files, and after that we have to go to roaming folder, and there we have to delete the files. So follow my video guys till end, otherwise your uninstallation will be unsuccessful. So now here I'm just going to my SQL and program files, and here guys you can see we have a MySQL folder. Just delete it guys. Now next we have to go to program data folder. So program data folder, it is a hidden folder. If it is not visible, you can go to this view menu and you can just select hidden folders. So you will be able to see program data folder. Otherwise you can press window plus R and type program data person. Then also you will be able to get your this program data folder. So guys, now in my program data folder you can see we have a folder of MySQL. I'm just exploring this MySQL folder, and after that guys, inside this MySQL folder we have a folder of server. So here you can see MySQL server folder we can see, and now I'm just opening this server folder also, and you can see here we have a data folder. So this data folder is very important. So whatever databases you have created, that goes inside this data folder. So guys, if you want your databases to be restored, or you want to take backup of it, you can just copy the databases and paste it to some other location. So here quickly I'm just copying few of my databases which I need further also, and I'm just pasting it to some other location. Okay guys, so now that is done. Now we have to go to roaming folder. So roaming folder we have inside app data. So you have to go to users and whatever is your admin name in that app data and roaming. Okay, otherwise you can just press window plus R and there you type person app data, then also you will get. So under this app data folder guys, again you can see in roaming folder we have what, MySQL. So just guys delete the MySQL folder from here also. So that's done. All the 4 steps done. Uninstallation from control panel, from program files, from program data, and then from app data. Guys, now I will be trying to open MySQL. So here I'm searching MySQL, but you can see I'm not getting anything. That means uninstallation is done successfully. Okay guys, so uninstallation is done successfully. I hope by following my video you are able to successfully uninstall MySQL from system. So guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is very important for me guys. And guys, I'm sharing lots of notes and PDF on my Telegram. You can join my Telegram channel, that too freely. And guys, on my social media, Instagram, I'm sharing lots of reel related to computer science, IT, programming, so you can follow me there also. All my social media handler I have given in description box, you can join that. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning and keep watching guys.